KENS 5 exclusive tonight, cracking down on problem properties. Today, only our cameras were there as the city's dangerous assessment response team raided a home. This is off Stagecoach Lane on the west side. Officials say neighbors have called numerous times reporting squatters in this house. KENS 5's Vanessa Croy takes us there to the scene.
San Antonio police tell us at least 15 people were living in this home without any power or utilities. They also tell us this home has been the center of violent crimes in the last few years, including a drive-by shooting happening just this past Friday.
We have an extensive history of criminal activity, drive-by shootings, narcotics.
A West Side home with a history of problems.
And based on our research and the history that we found, it was a property we needed to address.
The city's Dangerous Assessment Response Team, or DART, came out to inspect the home today. It's a joint city effort to secure houses that have a long history of criminal and code offenses. Eric Burns, heading up the DART team, says when they got there, they found 15 people in the house without water or power. Officers even found one person hiding in the HVAC system.
There's a lot of mess, some hoarding tendencies.
Burns tells us the house has also been ground zero for criminal activity.
With the drive-by shootings, multiple drive-by shootings, and the drug activity, it was a property that we could no longer ignore.
And while the house is a major nuisance to neighbors, for family members, the home holds many memories.
As a kid growing up, I got married in that home, so a lot of memories.
And to see it like this now.
It's horrible. It's horrible.
Lonnie Weaver said her in-laws passed away in the last 2 years, and that's when the property started going downhill.
See a place that I grew up in all these years to be with. It's just sad.
Police tell us at least 4 people have been taken into custody for outstanding warrants, but they couldn't tell us exactly what those warrants are for. For now, they tell us that they are working with the homeowner here to try to find some kind of solution. Reporting on the far west side, Vanessa Croy, KENS 5.